Igongona-inĩ rĩa gũtirihwo kwa mathomo kũrĩ maobithaa a borithi megemainie na ngero iria itũngagio atumia na airĩtu, nĩho anyiti itemi matiganĩte matarĩirie bata wa mohoka nĩ kũnyihia ciĩko ici matũũra-inĩ. Mwandĩki mũkaru wa maũndũ ma mbunge-inĩ Aurĩlia Rono akiuga mathomo maya nĩ mekũnyita itemi inene harĩ kũrũa na atabania acio, uge ũrĩa ũnyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ anyiti itemi angĩ.
It's a really noble program to have police officers because they are the very first contact point to the survivors or the victims of gender-based violence. So the training that has been given to them, I believe, will go a long way in supporting the victims or the survivors to access justice and the support that they need. I also believe that the training that they've been given will help them to ensure that the perpetrators are held to account for what they have done.
The year after, which is April 2024 to March 2025, we supported 3,403 survivors, with 112 being teenage pregnancies. Out of course, 95, 34 of them were with disabilities. And out of these 2,550 actually referred by the police to us.
And then how this then links to the criminal justice system into the judiciary. So there are challenges and have been challenges, and so this is what we are addressing through training, so that that whole chain of custody of evidence and how the survivors are treated from the community to the healthcare facility to the police and when they go to the courts.
Mwena-inĩ wake mũnini wa mũnene wa borithi bũrũri-inĩ Eliud Lagat nĩ ateterithĩtie bata wa gũkorwo kũrĩ na nyũmba cia gũthaitĩra arĩa mekora hatĩka-inĩ ici.
What we are doing first is that we've taken cognizance that issues to do with gender are very sensitive, very personal, very private, and we in the National Police Service are now taking a robust program to make sure that the gender-based desks are isolated from the normal areas of police operations, and at the same time, of course, train officers to handle these victims in a manner that confidentiality takes precedent in whatever they are doing.
Na ona gũtuĩka macira maya nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na kuongerereka matũũra-inĩ, atarĩirie maingĩ marĩa makinyio igoti-inĩ nĩ mahotanagwo, na ona gũkĩrĩ oro ũguo watho mũrũmu nĩ ũrabatarĩka.
And the investigation, for your information, over 90% of cases reported, either femicide or sexual offences act, and GBVs have been investigated, and the statistics have shown that we are winning this case, especially in investigation part of it.
Mathomo maya makĩrĩkana gũkorwo marongoreirie kũnyihia ciĩko ici matũũra-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado, ngetwo Wacuka wa Kĩarie.